This is Srikanth Tadvarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about nomenclature of aromatic compounds. For the aromatic compounds, what we discussed in previous rules or basic rules can't be exist. Here, all are considering as a derivatives of benzene. So, if functional group are substituent or branched chains, they are considered as a derivatives of a benzene. So, there are some examples for derivatives of benzene. So, first one, if you see that on benzene we have methyl group. So actually this is its common name is toluene, and here methyl is treating as a sub branch or a substituent. So in that time its name is written as a methyl benzene. What is methyl benzene? When you come to this compound, so here we have methoxy group is there. So the methoxy group present on the benzene we call as methoxybenzene. What we call as methoxybenzene. Its common name is enizole. What is enizole? For this toluene, I already told that. So toluene. Okay. Next one, this is here on the benzene we have bromine atom. So it is also called as bromobenzene. Like that. Here on the benzene we have a amino group. It will be called as aminobenzene or benzenamine or aniline. What we call as aminobenzene or benzenamine or aniline. So when I go for this, here on the benzene ring we have a aldehyde group. So it is called as a benzaldehyde. What we call as benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. In the modern methods, it is also called as a benzene carbaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, benzene carbaldehyde. Like this, we can give the naming to the aromatic compounds. In the rule number 2, if the compounds having more than one substance, then the direction of numbering based on a alphabetical order. So, if a given compound contains more than one type of substance, so here the naming is based on the alphabetical order of the substance. So if you see this compound, here we have two type of substance. One is chloro and another one is nitro. Nitro present at 2 positions. So here we just give the least number to the chloro. So based on the alphabetical, then we proceeding the numbering to get the least numbering for the sum of the substance. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the way of numbering. So then the name of the compound, if you see this 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. What is 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. Okay, when you go for this structure, here 3 substances are present: nitro, chloro, methyl. So we just give the least number based on alphabetical for chloro. Then here we have methyl and nitro group. So if we go the way of with methyl, so when you see that methyl group is near to the chlorine when compared to the nitro group. So when you when you go for the direction of methyl group, we get the least number for least least positions for some when you go for towards the methyl group, we get the least position for the sum of the all substance. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then the name of the compound is as per rule: 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 5 nitro benzene. So like that. So when more than one substance is present, based on the alphabetical order, we just give the numbering. Next. Okay, students, so this is next rule. If benzene ring attached to an alkene with a functional alkane with a functional group, it considered as a substituent or named as a phenyl. I mean, if the benzene group attached to the side branch, and the side branch consists of any multiple bonds or functional group, the benzene ring considering as a substituent and we call as phenyl. So if you see this, the benzene ring attached to the CH2, it consists of OH group. So here the side chain consists of functional group. So this is considering as a main chain and benzene considering as a substrate. So here OH group present on one carbon and phenyl also present on one carbon. Then its name is 1-phenyl methanol or phenyl methanol. 1-phenyl methanol or a phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. When you go for this, here the side chain consists of a primary amine group. So this side chain considering as a main chain. So numbering 1, 2. So at second carbon we have the phenyl group. So its name is 2-phenyl ethanamine. What is? As per IUPAC, its name is 2-phenyl ethanamine. When you come to this compound, so here the side chain consists of carboxylic group. So carboxylic group is a functional group. So it is the side chain considering as a main chain and benzene ring considering as a substituent. Then the name of the compound is the benzene ring present at second carbon. So 2-phenyl and 3 carbons present in the main chain, propanoic acid. What we call as 2-phenyl propanoic acid. So this is the name of the compound. So when side chain consists of multiple bonds or functional group, so the benzene ring considering as a substituent. So and this is next rule. So when you see this rule, when a substituent is one that when taken with the benzene ring gives a new base named that substituent as is assumed to be in the position 1 and the new parent name is used. So I think you have some confusion about this rule. So when you observe this rule, so when some substituents are present attached to the benzene ring, they are calling as some common names. For example, in this structure, the methyl group is attached to the benzene ring, so it is also called as toluene. I already told that. So here methoxy group attached to the benzene ring, it is called as enisol. Here NH2 group attached to the benzene ring, we call as enlene. So in the time of IUPAC naming, we take the in place of benzene we use the toluene, enisol and enlene in the IUPAC system. So and we start with the position from that carbon, okay, or that, for that substance. So here methyl when the methyl group present on benzene considering as a toluene, so we start giving numbering from here. So then in which side with the sum of the positions are list, in that side we need to take that. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the nitro group present at second, fourth and sixth carbon. Then the name of the compound is 2, 4, 6 tri nitro toluene. So here the substituent methyl group can be attached to the benzene ring and considering as a toluene, and these named toluene can be used in the IUPAC system. So that is the meaning of the given rule. Okay, when you go for next one, here methoxy group is the methoxy group present on the benzene ring we call as enisol. So here the methoxy group considering as a main substance, and we start numbering from methoxy group. When you go towards fluorine, we get the least sum of the position. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then the name of the compound 4-ethyl 2-fluoroanisole. What is 4-ethyl 2-fluoroanisole? So when you go for the next compound, so this is the compound. So if you keep the hand on NO2 group, it is called as enlone. So, enlene. The benzene ring attached to the amino group we call as enlene. So it is so we give the we just start the numbering from amino group onwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here NO2 group, nitro group present at third carbon. So it is taken as a prefix. So 3 nitro. Its name is 3 nitro enlene. What we call as 3 nitro enlene. So these are the rules present for aromatic compounds. So once again, the rules for aromatic compounds. For aromatic compounds, the basic rules are can't be exist. Here all are considering as a derivatives of benzene if the benzene ring is attached to the branch or substituent or functional group, what it may be, all are considering as a derivatives of a benzene. And in the time of numbering, when the benzene ring consists of more than one type of substance, so in that time we follow the numbering based on the alphabetical order of the substance. Then the benzene ring is attached to the any one of the side chain, and the side chain contains multiple bonds or a functional group. That side chain considering as a parent chain and benzene ring considering as a substituent, we call as a phenyl. And lastly is when some of the substances are attached to the benzene ring, those are called with the specific names. In that time the numbering can be started with those specific substituents like toluene. When methyl group attached to the benzene, we call as toluene, so we just give the numbering from methyl group onwards, like that. So we need to follow the rules to give the naming of the aromatic compounds. Now I give some examples, some more examples for the aromatic compounds. Okay students, so this is the first compound. So here in this compound the benzene group attached to the carboxylic group, so it is called as a benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid, what we call as benzoic acid, or in sometimes we call as a benzene carboxylic acid. So when you go for this, here the benzene ring is attached to the COCl, and it is a representation of acid halide, so its name is benzyl chloride, what we benzyl chloride. So when you go for this, here the benzene group attached to the amide functional group, it is called as benzamide, what we call as benzamide. Here the benzene group attached to the cyano group, we call as it is called as a benzonitrile, what we call as benzonitrile. Here the benzene attached to the sulfonic acid group, and it is called as benzene sulfonic acid, what we call as benzene sulfonic acid. So next one, this is next one. Here the benzene ring attached to the two carboxylic groups at neighboring positions. If you give the numbering 1 2, so we call as it is called as benzene 1 comma 2, sorry, it is also we call as benzene 1 comma 2 dicarboxylic acid or 1 comma 2 benzene dicarboxylic acid. Its name is benzene 1 comma 2 dicarboxylic acid. Okay, when you go for this, here the benzene ring attached to two functional groups. Here aldehyde group is the principal functional group, then alcohol taken as a substance, so we start the numbering from aldehyde group, so 1 comma 2, so its name is 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde or 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde, so we call as 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde we call as. When you go for next one, so here the benzene ring attached to the OH group, so remind, and at the same time it is attached to here 3 NO2 groups are present, so based on the order of priority, OH having more priority than NO2 group, so we start numbering from OH onwards, 1 2 3 4 5, so sorry I just missed 3 4 5 6. So then the name of the compound 2 comma 4 comma 6 trinitrophenol. It is also called as a picric acid, what we call as picric acid. Okay, and it is also called as phthalate acid, we call as phthalate acid. And 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde we call as salicylaldehyde, and its common name is a picric acid. When you go for next one, so here the benzene ring attached to three groups. One is OH, another one is nitro, and another one is methoxy. So when I take the order of priority, OH is considering as a principal functional group. So we start the numbering from OH, then it is continuous towards the nitro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here OH is considering as a functional group or secondary suffix, remaining are considering as a secondary prefix. So 2 nitro, 5 methoxy based on the alphabetical order. First we write the methoxy. So the name of the compound 5 methoxy 2 nitro phenol. 5 methoxy 2 nitro phenol. So this is the name of the compound. And this is the next example. Okay, when I see this example, here the benzene ring consists of methoxy group, chlorine and carboxylic acid. So carboxylic group, the carboxylic group considering as a principal functional group. So we start numbering with carboxylic acid, and it is moves towards the chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So here prefix is 2 chloro 4 methoxy. Based on the alphabetical order, we just give the name 2 chloro 4 methoxy benzoic acid. 2 chloro 4 methoxy benzoic acid. When you come for this compound, so this structure consists of benzene ring consists of 2 groups, methoxy, methyl, ethyl. So methoxy is considering as a main substance. So why? Because the presence of methoxy group on benzene ring we considering as a enizole. So here methyl and ethyl are substance. So then the proceeding numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 2 methyl, 4 ethyl. Based on the alphabetical order, we write 4 ethyl, 2 methyl enizole. 4 ethyl, 2 methyl enizole. So when you go for this, here the benzene ring attached to the carboxylic group and alcohol group. Based on the order of priority, carboxylic group considering as a principal group. In that time, hydroxy, alcohol is considering as a prefix. We call as a 2-hydroxy. Then the name of the compound is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, and its common name is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Okay. Okay students, this is the last example. Here benzene ring attached to 3 groups. One is amino, another one is ethoxy, and next one is methyl. So here the benzene ring attached to the amino group we call as aniline. So it is considering as a principal substance. So then we give the numbering towards the ethoxy group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here ethoxy and methyl both are considering as a prefixes. Based on the alphabetical order, we write the name of the compound like 2-ethoxy 4-methyl aniline. At the same time, you can write like also 2-ethoxy 4-methyl benzanamine. You can write in both ways. So this is about the nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos to your friends by using social sites. Thank you.